Hi everyone, my name is Eduardo Guerra and I am part of Contest Registration System 1.0 along with my partner Wayne Curling. Today I'm going to be taking you through the perspective of the admin user of our system. The admin user has two main roles. One, to manage the contest, and two, to manage all the users in the system. I am going to log in, and as you can see, the system determined that I was an admin type of user and has redirected me to the admin homepage. Now, for contests, we have 3 pages. One to see all currently active contests, all stored contests, and then to create a new one. So, if we go to the current contest, we can see that we have 1 so far, whereas for the previous contest, we have 3. Now, I am going to create a new contest just to show. That now that I created the new contest, it shows in the current contest page. If now another type of functionality that the admin can do is that once a contest has run its course, he can choose to store it. And we're going to store the new contest that we just created by simply clicking store, and it's gone from the active contest page. And if we go to the previous contest page, we can see that it is there. For video. Now, the second part of the admin functionality is the management of users on the system. We're going to go to the participants page, and then we're going to go to teams. Now, the teams page shows every participant that has been entered by a coach, and as we can see, they are under schools, and it shows what the coach. So we're getting as much information as we can from those teams and coaches and participants and so on. Now, there's a little bit of functionality that if we wanted to do a filter on these schools, we could do that. So let's just search for Qualpar, which we know that is at the bottom here, and it only has 1 user. So we're going to search it, and here. So now that we have seen that we can do a filter on the teams, we're going to search schools. Now, schools, what it will show is that it will show the name of the school, the first and the last name of the coach, and the email for contacting purposes. So what the functionality of this feature is that once we click remove school, it will do a cascading delete, and effectively it's a way to purge the system after every contest. So we're assuming that every user that is in the system at the time of the contest is a user that is participating. That is the assumption that we came together as with the product owner. So by just simply going to remove school, you will see that it has been removed, and by going to the teams, now that school, it's gone. There was a 4th school at the bottom, and it has been deleted. And finally, we can check the list of administrators. The list of administrators, usually our system will only have 1 administrator, but there's a possibility that our product owner might need help managing the contest in the later features. So the administrator is capable of viewing all other administrator accounts. So we're just going to enter some sample data. And as you can see, the new admin has been created. So in case that the admin is no longer necessary for the site, then the main admin, which will be our product owner, can simply just remove them. And that concludes the perspective of the admin and all of his functionality implemented in this iteration of the project.